Are you on a credit score roller coaster? Maybe your score goes up and down while never even missing a payment? I can make sense of this. My name's Sam Parker with My Credit Guy, and the number one reason for the yo-yoing of credit scores is credit utilization or credit cards. You're paying them off, you're using them, paying them off, and using them. And what a lot of people don't understand is not only the payment date that matters or the due date, but your actual statement date compared to when you're paying it. You need to make sure that your payment has reached the credit cards by the time they send their information to the credit bureaus. That's gonna keep your scores nice and low, or you can just constantly maintain a 5 to 10% balance on those credit cards. So the other thing that you might have done is closed out an account, maybe unknowingly by making your last payment on an auto loan or a student loan, or maybe you closed out a credit card thinking that you were doing the right thing, but what you accidentally did was reduced your overall payment history, and you also reduced your credit availability, which is a big no-no when it comes to credit. The other thing that you might have done is gone out and applied for credit one too many times. While this won't take too many points from you, if you've applied for a mortgage, a credit card, an auto loan, things like that, back to back to back to back, that could be taking a handful of points as well. Now, if you want a custom game plan or would like us to review why you're losing points, just head on over to mycreditguy.com and one of our credit experts will dissect your credit report.